Hey everybody, Adam with Front Range Storm Contractors here. Just want to show you real quick what's a proper way to set up a ladder, okay? So, first thing is you need a ladder that's going to be long enough. Let me go back over here actually. So, from the height of where it meets the eave, the gutter, wherever you're leaning it on, the height and the distance out, this distance out should be about a fourth of whatever that is. So I've actually got most standard houses, so from the top of the step here to the eave, are right about 9-10 feet. Got a couple extra steps here, so we're gonna estimate that at about 12 feet. So this should be at least 3 feet out. So that is the correct angle of your ladder right there. And then once you figure out how long that is, you need to make sure that you have a ladder that's at least going to be able to go 3 feet above it. Okay, now each rung is about a foot, so you just need to make sure that you've got 1, 2, 3 rungs above the gutter or the eave, depending on if the gutter is there or not. Then you need to be able to tie it off with a bungee cord. So got an orange bungee cord there. It's got hooks. Oh, let me zoom this back out here. Can I zoom it out? No. There we go. So it's got hooks on either end of the bungee, and I've just got those hooked onto the nails that keep the gutter in. As you can see, there's one nail right there, and you might not be able to see it, but there's another one right about there. So got the bungee cord, got the correct amount of ladder extended over the above the eave, got the right pitch in the ladder, it's tied off. That's how you set up a ladder in order to be safe per OSHA. Alright everybody, have a good day.